Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time watching it, then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this simple graphic eyeliner look from the Ariana Grande and Lady Gaga Rain On Me music video. I really like it because it's very simple but effective. It's definitely something new that I haven't really done before. So yeah, I'm very excited about this look. And just before we get into the video, I just wanted to talk about what's going on in America at the moment. As you probably know, they're having protests and riots over police brutality because from what I've seen, like I live in New Zealand, so I haven't experienced it firsthand, but the racism and police brutality is horrendous over there. And quite frankly, that's not on. I do want to kind of use whatever platform that I have to spread awareness about it and also to direct you to some places where you can help. So in the description down below I'm going to be popping some links for petitions you can sign, places where you can donate money and so on. So please have a look down below and click on the links. Even if you can't donate any money, signing petitions actually really does help, so please go ahead and do that. But anyway, let's get on into this tutorial. Okay, so eyebrows, concealer on the eye, and template under the eye for our eyeliner. And what I've done is I've just set the concealer on the eye with some setting powder because I'm not going to be putting any eyeshadow on. So I just want that to be a nice kind of like blank canvas for the liner that we're going to do, because this is obviously a liner kind of based look. And I have the templates here because I'm not the greatest at doing winged liner. I haven't had that much practice because I do have hooded eyes, so I try not to really wear winged liner, so I don't really trust myself to get a straight line, so that's why I've got the templates. But if you are a pro at doing winged liner, then you don't need to worry about this. This look is pretty simple, so we're just going to straight away move on to the winged eyeliner, the black one. So I'm just going to be taking my Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing Liner and I'm just drawing on a regular winged eyeliner onto the eye, and I'm going to do this reasonably thick but not too thick because we are going to go in with the white afterwards, so we don't want this to be too kind of overpowering. So yeah, I always start with the wing part and then I move my way across to the lash line part. I'm not sure why, I just think it helps to figure out how thick you're going to need to do the part that's by the lash line. Okay, so that is the black liner part done. I removed the tape and I just touched up the edges there because it wasn't completely straight and I wanted it to be perfect. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Aqua XL liquid liner. This is in the shade white, and I'm going to take a thin liner brush. This is actually an art brush, but it's nice and thin and it's still long, so it's going to give you that nice kind of curve effect and it's not going to be too stiff. So what I'm doing is I'm using this to come up on the underside of the winged liner and bring this right out to where the tip of the winged liner is, and then I'm going to draw a line all the way across the crease just like I would do for a cut crease, but this is just going to be, you know, graphic liner. And I'm bringing that all the way from the inner corner of the eye all the way out and meeting up with that line that I drew on the underside of the winged liner. And I'm just lightly drawing this part on just so I can get the shape of it all sorted out, and then I will go over and make the line thicker and more prominent. We will continue this under the eye, but I'm going to do another step before we do that. At this point you can go in with your concealer and another eyeliner brush and just clean up any of the spots that are a little bit messy or any mistakes that you've made. So for me that's just along the white liner. I think the black liner is pretty good. There's just a few spots that kind of stick out where they're not supposed to, so I'm just going to tidy that up and making sure that anywhere where I put concealer I blend the edges out so that you can't see a, you know, line of the concealer. And then I'm going to set this with some setting powder just to make sure that it doesn't transfer. Okay, now we're moving to the under eye area, and I'm going to first kind of lay down a base because I'm going to be putting the white eyeliner under the waterline, and I just want to make sure that underneath it's looking all, you know, like a blank canvas, like I was saying before. So I'm taking my concealer, and this one is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Snow, and I'm just using a concealer brush to apply this to the under eye. And I'm not going to bring it too far down because we're not doing any eyeshadow there. I just really want to get the lower lash line area ready to put eyeliner on, basically. So putting that concealer on as the base, and then I'm going to set that with the powder. I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose powder in the shade Sugar Cookie, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so next, as I was saying before, we're moving to the under eye. So I'm going to take that same eyeliner brush that I was using for the white and the white eyeliner, and I'm just going to bring this down and continue it down from the wing part and bring it fully under the eye all the way across to the tear duct area to make the whole white cut crease part, you know, surround the entire eye, if that makes any sense. Okay, next I'm just going to add in some black liner to the waterline. So I'm taking my NYX Crayon eyeliner in the shade Black, and yeah, just applying this to the waterline. Alright, next I'm just going to go do my face makeup, and then I'll be back to finish off the rest of the look. Okay, next I'm just going to apply some highlight. So I'm going in with my Lime Crime Mermaids highlight, and I'm going in, I'm going in with the middle shade, which is called Pearl. And I'm going to be applying it with these two brushes, the larger brush for my cheekbones and face, and the smaller brush for around my eyes. So I'm just applying this to my tear duct using the pencil brush and also my brow bone, and then using the larger brush I'm going to be applying that to my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Next I'm going to be applying lipstick, and in the video Ariana is wearing like a glossy lip, but I don't really have any other glosses except for like a green glitter one, so I'm going to be taking my Tarteist lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit. Okay, and lastly I'm just going to be applying mascara and lashes. So the lashes I'm going to be using are my XO Beauty Faux Mink lashes. These are in the style Cupid. I'm going to pop these on off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. I love this look. It's very funky, and like I feel like it has like 60s vibes, like very retro. It's definitely something like I'm not used to wearing because it's so like basic in the colors, and like there's nothing really like on the eyelid. And I also have hooded eyes, so the winged liner doesn't look so great on me, but it looks amazing on Ariana. She definitely has the eyes for it, but this kind of only looks good for me if I'm like looking down, which most of the time I'm not. I'm usually looking forward, but I really like it. It's nice and simple but effective look. I think I will try and do it in a few different colors as well, because I think that could be quite fun, and it's definitely inspired me to do some more graphic liner stuff, like simple but effective, and I really like that. So I'll definitely be doing some of that in the future. Keep an eye out for that. But I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe, and tick that little bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.